Alright, so on this one, God is one, I am in all, and all is in me. The 10th chapter, the 30th verse, I and the Father are one. John chapter 10, verse 30. Number 3. And again, in the letters of Johanna, St. John the Divine, the 14th chapter, the 9th verse, he that hath seen me hath seen the Father. John 14:9. Absorption. 4. There are no qualities in the universes that are not in the human body. 5. An atom is a complete replica of the solar system. 6. With electrons encircling a nucleus, just as planets revolve around the sun. 7. The atom is a microcosm, small. 8. And everything that is happening in the microcosms of the human body, 9, is also occurring in Ta, also called order, Ereth, Terra, Eridu, and Ard. 10. That ye mortals call the planet Earth.